Welcome back to the uKnowva HRMS course. In this video, we will learn how to reset a user's password using the uKnowva configuration panel. Let's get started. Locate your profile icon at the top right side of the page and click on it to open a drop-down menu. From the list of options, select uKnowva configuration. This will open the uKnowva configuration engine. In the configuration panel, use the side menu to navigate to the User Manager section. This section allows you to manage user accounts, including updating and resetting passwords. Within the User Manager menu, locate the user whose password you need to reset. Once you find the user, click on the Reset Password option corresponding to that user. A pop-up window will appear prompting you to enter the new password. Type the new password in the designated field, and then re-enter it in the Confirm New Password field to ensure accuracy. After filling in both fields, click on the Save button to finalize the reset process. The password will now be updated, and the user can use the new password to log into their account. That's it! You now know how to reset a user password in uKnowva HRMS. Thank you for watching.